and Amit Shah is in Tamil Nadu today. This is his second visit in a matter of 7 days, and he has praised the Tamil language and the culture as well. The Home Minister is attacking the Chief Minister of the state, saying that it's M.K. Stalin who hasn't allowed medical and engineering curriculum as far as the state is concerned, and must allow that. Of course, saying that they've been asking for the last 2 years, and it is Stalin who hasn't really taken any step in this direction. So it is the Home Minister there hitting out at M.K. Stalin. Of course, he has been giving reassurances when it comes to, whether it is the NEP, the new education policy, or whether it is in terms of delimitation, saying that it is not going to be disadvantageous when it comes to the southern states. So Amit Shah there on his second visit there, talking about the language, praising the Tamil language and its culture, and also asking for the Chief Minister to include medical as well as engineering in its curriculum, something that he claims, Amit Shah has claimed, that M.K. Stalin has not really been taking steps in that direction, and that's something that the Home Minister has been asking for the last 2 years. Let's listen in.
CAPF की भर्ती में आपकी मातृभाषा का स्थान नहीं था। आप बंगाली में CAPF की परीक्षा नहीं दे सकते थे, आप कन्नड़ में नहीं दे सकते थे, आप तमिल में भी नहीं दे सकते थे। नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने निर्णय किया कि सभी 8वीं सूची की अनुसूची की भाषाओं में अब हमारे युवा परीक्षा दे पाएंगे। तमिलनाडु के युवा भी अब तमिल में परीक्षा दे पाएंगे। इस मौके पर मैं तमिलनाडु की धरती पर आया हूं, तो तमिलनाडु के मुख्यमंत्री को भी आग्रह करना चाहूंगा कि कई राज्यों ने पहल की है। मेडिकल की शिक्षा और इंजीनियरिंग की शिक्षा में स्थानीय भाषा में अभ्यासक्रम बनाए गए हैं। मेरा आग्रह है तमिलनाडु के मुख्यमंत्री को कि तमिलनाडु में भी तमिल भाषा में मेडिकल और इंजीनियरिंग का एजुकेशन शुरू किया जाए, शीघ्र किया जाए।
And to know more on this, we have my colleague Sam Daniel joining us. Sam, of course, the Home Minister there hitting out at M.K. Stalin, bringing up the issue of engineering and medical exams to start. As far as those courses are concerned in his curriculum, hitting at the Chief Minister, saying nothing really has been done in this direction and no steps have been taken.
That's right, Divya. As Amit Shah is in Tamil Nadu, he is taking on the language issue as Tamil Nadu opposes the implementation of the 3-language policy as part of the national education policy. We await a formal response from the ruling DMK on Amit Shah's expectation that Tamil Nadu should open up medical as well as engineering education in Tamil. But I think already Tamil Nadu has provisions for taking both engineering and medical courses in Tamil. There are colleges which offer this. It's not compulsory. Students have the option, particularly students who come from vernacular medium schools, Tamil medium schools as we call it here, have the option to choose Tamil medium in both medical as well as engineering exams. How popular is it? That's a different question. But although it's in Tamil Nadu, it's not made mandatory. They have a choice to choose either English medium or Tamil medium, but we should reiterate the option to learn both MBBS and medicine, MBBS and engineering in Tamil is available. Many would have thought Amit Shah would also respond to specific clarifications expected from Tamil Nadu after the all-party meeting on delimitation. I think so far Amit Shah has not spoken on that. Also on the question of center stopping funds for Tamil Nadu to the extent of 2,150 crore because Tamil Nadu has not adopted the national education policy. But taking on the ruling DMK, which every day targets the BJP on the language issue, Amit Shah is trying to turn the tables against the ruling DMK, raising the issue of health education and engineering being taught in Tamil. We expect a response from the DMK spokespersons very soon.